Okay, cool. Come and have a nice close up under the shining Sky Sports News lights. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. Yeah, that's right, I'm still in Exeter and we've whipped out the Sky Sports News lights. Now, before I crack on with quite an interesting review, we've got a sponsor, Hydrovain. If you're a housing developer and you're bringing water to a site, these guys are the people you need to know. They are experts in the field, based predominantly in the south west, but they're also working in that High Wycombe Oxford corridor too. With the logo down there somewhere, Jess, or should we put it somewhere else for a change? Mix it up there. Go and check them out. I'll put a link to the website in the comments below as well. Hydrovain. Here we go. Peckham Spring. Let's have it. Right. We're in Exeter. That's a noisy van. And I'm not going to lie, most things opening up about 5. So we had an hour to kill. So we've gone onto Uber Eats, Jess.
Yep.
Found ourselves a nice little wing shop that just operates from a dark kitchen. It's the future. I thought, why not? We've pulled up on the street, we've made our order. Bloke knocks on the window, gives us our bag. So this is from, I've just uncovered something. What was it called online?
World of Wings,
It was called World of Wings.
I think.
We've ordered from World of Wings.
Oh no!
Uber Eats, Absurd Bird. So Absurd Bird, well done, you sneaky snakes.
I've already had a review.
We've already had a review on the page. What do we do? Carry on. Absurd Bird, well done you. World of Wings is actually run by Absurd Bird. Sorry to break the news to everyone. There we have it.
Definitely.
Yeah, look, Jess. Exeter at absurdbird.com.
Oh my god.
There we go. Never mind. So what have we got in here other than, I don't know, is that false advertising? How much is all this, Jessica?
Right, it was about £20. It's just, I think it's quite expensive, but I had a voucher on Uber Eats, and so it's only £8.50.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where did you get the voucher from? Any consumer advice?
Because we can't use Uber Eats at home.
All right, cool.
It was my first time using it.
I thought, do you know what? For a second, I thought you were going to tell me your life story. Christ. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Here we go. Right, let's just whip out some. Okay. Chips. Probably the most basic AF chips I've ever seen in my entire life. Let's try them. I don't think it's the chips we've come to see, it's the wings.
No.
Pretty decent chips, to be fair. Right. So I've actually got mac and cheese in here. Look at the absolute. It's like a pint of fucking Guinness. It's like a reverse Guinness. And just a bag with nothing in it, no napkins. So they've not seen the reviews before. We get down and dirty. So this should be your peanut butter.
Oh yeah, that was why we got them, wasn't it?
I'm not being funny. This looks guff.
Peanut butter and maple syrup.
Does it or not? Peanut butter and maple syrup wings. Whatever. Let's just go for it. Okay, cool. Come and have a nice close up under the shining Sky Sports News lights. Kind of small wings, big outer coating on it. Doesn't look too bad, to be fair. You can smell the peanut butter. You got maple syrup in there as well, Jess, yeah?
Yeah.
We know this flavour combo works.
I've never had it before.
No, sweet and peanut butter.
Oh, I see.
Sweet and savoury.
Yeah.
We know it works. The actual wing as a product is pretty tasty. It's really nicely cooked. Have a look at that. Really nicely cooked. Got great texture. Thick layer of kind of peanut butter sauce drizzled over it. Sort of maple syrup at the bottom there, oozing around. I think I know where I'm going with this. One more. Let's do the classic strip, the wing strip. Here we go. is a full, flat, not the full flavour with that one. That's a nicely cooked wing. Special? Market leading? Absolutely not. Decent though? Yeah, not bad. I'm still getting over the absurd bird thing.
I can tell.
I like it. Part of me likes it.
Yeah?
Yeah. What do you think? Think that's a bit sneaky? That mac and cheese looks naughty. What are we going to eat that with, Jess? Let's fashion the lid into some kind of apparatus. Can we do that?
I don't know, we'll find out.
Here we go. Have a look at that.
Like Bear Grylls.
Look, I'm an adaptable young man. Okay? Here we go. All I need is like some kind of, it's like a thick, oh my God, look. This is, I think I've just literally just got cheese. That's some tasty mac and cheese, to be fair. Look, we've even got this like, oh, I've lost my spoon. We've got some like outrageous crust on it as well.
Ooh.
Mmm. Rich, crunchy cheese. Exeter. Have myself and Hydrovane uncovered a hidden gem? I don't think so. Not today. Please get in the comments and let me know what you think. Maple syrup and peanut butter wings, kind of nice. Chips, they're just the most basic AF chips I've ever had in my life. Taste all right, nothing special. Not even any like sprinkles on it or chive or Fanta. Drink watch. Might actually get some fizz in my life. Now, Absurd Bird, you naughty, naughty bunch. World of Wings. Did they? All right, Jess, break this down for me. I didn't make the order, you did. Did they have a big selection of other wings?
Well, yeah, it's a wing.
Yeah, I know, but was there a substantial?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Okay, cool. Well, there you go. This could be a to be continued review. What I've just eaten there, like 6.5 out of 10 probably. Mac and cheese is all right. Just, I don't know what you've ordered, to be fair, my love. Looks pretty greasy. No serviettes, no napkins, no spoon. Don't know if they should send that out or not, I'm not sure. 20 odd quid. I think I'd have liked to have seen that in there with it. Wings, probably bumped it up to 6.5 to be fair, the rest of it. All right, cool. Exeter, that is review number 2. Where must we go next? Please get in the comments and tag your favourite foodie hidden hotspot in Exeter. This was a bit of a random one. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was a Hydrovane sponsored review. Thanks for watching.